In this video, you'll learn on how to change your preferred language in Google Sites. First, click the menu option. Then open the settings menu to access your site configurations. Next, once you're here, you'll see the language option. Click on Language. Then scroll down and you'll see the Add Language option. Click on it. Prepare to adjust your language preferences. Now, select French from the language list and confirm your preferred language to apply the changes. Finally, switch back to your Google Sites tab and refresh the page so the new language setting takes effect. You've now successfully changed the language setting in Google Sites.